Today I will share with you my thoughts on why I think AI will make us better humans. I'm sure you already know about ChatGPT and how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we work and create. Whether you're asking it to help you create copy for a Facebook ad or write code for a software you're developing, AI is here to stay, and the tools based on this technology get more incredible every day. There appears to be an infinite number of things you can do with it. And while some see AI as a threat to their jobs and even their lives, I actually see it as an opportunity to enhance our humanity and make us better people. In today's fast-paced and technology-driven world, we have become overwhelmed. We are everywhere and we are nowhere. We have the attention span of a 5-year-old puppy, yet we are more informed than ever. We suffer from post-internet phenomena like fear of missing out. We are anxious, stressed, depressed, all because we are more disconnected from ourselves and each other than we've ever been. Our schedules are full with calls and meetings, but we don't even have time to chat with our loved ones. We say we are always busy, but never with the things that actually make us feel happier, more content, full of life, and, well, healthy. If you know me at all, you'll notice that I kinda have an obsession with time. I think there is never enough time, and I do my best to keep it optimized. I fail most of the time, so you know. That said, what if I told you that AI might be able to help us optimize our time on this earth? AI and the magnificent tools that it has been able to create have the potential to make us more efficient by increasing the speed in which we do the things we need to do, or even to do them for us if we provide it with the appropriate prompt. There are tools to help you write more efficiently, tools that help you code, tools to help you create images for your content, and tools for editing your videos. Hell, I wrote the outline, script, and B-roll ideas for this same video, the one you are watching right now, with the help of AI. And because of that, I got to move on to other tasks and get more shit done without my head exploding. And another thing, I had time for me and my loved ones. I finished things on time and I got to go with my mother to the supermarket and spend some quality time with her. I got to call my wife who is away working, and I got to meditate and exercise. Oh, and I got to pet the cats. I pet them a lot. I love cats. Not everything about AI is wonderful. Some of us fear AI will replace us in our jobs. That is a real possibility for some, or even all jobs, who knows? Some countries including Finland, Canada, India, the Netherlands, and the United States are conducting studies on universal basic income. The primary reason for these studies is to explore the economic and social benefits of providing a guaranteed income regardless of their employment status. UBI has been proposed as a potential solution for poverty and job loss due to automation and other technological advances such as artificial intelligence. What if the machines did all the work for us? I tend to see things in a brighter light, and unless, of course, Skynet takes over and tries to kill us all, I believe we won't become obsolete. I think machines will do most of the things we consider work, and I think that is actually a good thing. Usually the word work is not associated with a good feeling. How many of us had to go to college to get a degree in something because we were taught we had to do it in order to make money, and that was the universal truth about happiness? How many of us got that wrong? What we call work, for the majority of us, would be called art, craft, or hobby, something we We do because we want to and not because a system forces us to. Let's get back from utopia. And I just need to say that I think AI is not here to replace us. In my humble opinion, it is here to better us. I've seen this quote everywhere for the past couple of weeks. It goes something like, AI won't replace you, a human using AI will. So do your research and figure out what tools can actually help you do your job better, faster, stronger. Really, this boom in artificial intelligence tools will make a lot of things look the same. People will overuse it, and judging by the TikTok tutorials I've been watching on how to write an ebook, video scripts, presentations, blog posts, and even email responses, everything on the internet will start to look the same. I am so against AI doing that for us, but I know this is already happening. We are already overusing it. And as ChatGPT and other related tools become even more mainstream, it will only get worse. And you know what? I think it will be a phase. I don't know how long it will last, but I think eventually people will start to recognize AI interaction and text, and surprise, ultimately we will still prefer human interaction. I think this will make people crave even more human contact. We saw that with brand chatbots. In the beginning, it was pretty cool that we could talk to it, but in the end, we still prefer to talk to a human on the support line. So if you're replying to your customers' emails and social media comments using AI, it's only a matter of time until people see through the bullshit and prefer to go to other brands or services that provide actual human services for humans. Actually, AI might be the best thing to happen to humans, as it can have a real impact on how we look at each other and ourselves and value those relationships more. AI has its good things and bad things, and we need to approach this new world with both curiosity and responsibility. It's important to keep in mind the potential downsides of AI and to consider the benefits and opportunities that it can bring to our lives. I hope this video has given you something to think about, and I would love to hear your thoughts on the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Beautiful people of the internet, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Adios.